Keda about Tampania Kofansi, Moment of Truth for Evangelist Kwame Ade, another preacher na me salute. Why are dear? I'm a Ghana for youth, Yeni Adaho. Now, in Chabia, in your message, be President Kufuor Betina TV, so any Bolero, the country say, or you Freemason. Now, or not President Kufuor, no dear. Pursue Freemason, which any passe, and yet a bonny fool in a Freemason, a leadership platform, be on now almost share how Miss Ruli, we are saying, and Miss Ruli or mine. President Kufuor be control because Freemason who remember initial stage, you can't tell say there is nothing here. Swear, say there is nothing here that you will take outside. Even if you share something in here, it should be by your brotherhood. You see a Freemason be. What you say? I remember good. You say brotherhood. What you say? Now President Kufuor football arrange in opportunities to can't say and you could be a woman we have one for. On be control today. What you say? Now. You're penning for him fee. That the move here, there be an evangelist Casagana, you voting county. There be an amendment once. You voting county, bread and pan choose leadership. What I say. Now, research. And I'm seeing Yata when you see you. Bonia and penny for dear, send you any trauma, you bring up past the dinner soon. Be a research and I'm cooking with dear friend. The protocols of Zionists. And I say the protocols of Zionists. Would you go Google? No Google. The protocols of Zionists are. A whole on better, a kind of us who choose leaders. We can't be able to tell you that the evangelists come. Ghana, and you vote, and I'm a leaders. Your president, Ebel Kunyaso. President Kufuor, and your Ghana vote, and I didn't know Kunyaso. Nana Kufuor, Tia Kunyaso may say, may come with facts, with them, and with facts say, and you vote, and I didn't know Kunyaso. Ghana, you choose leader be a friend and Kufuor. Name may you differ be a friend of Freemason for the choosing and Kufuor as a president. Their head is the Zionists, and they choose Nana Kufuor. Or more agenda in the Freemasons. Now the Freemasons' agenda say they will choose their own leaders all around the world. What you say? It's and then you vote and you choose leaders. Name them Freemason for Nankasa, and they choose Nana Kufuor as a leader. So me dear so. And you think I see a much and Nana Kufuor will fear why because you have two baby and you can't tell us or made the president of this nation. Sana President Kufuor some of the year no a Freemason for omu di bonena could do stage be an bomb abaso. It me mama bit to have a message we. Yes, or two phones me dance in your brutal. Freemason for Ankasa basic president for Africa Muntie is Muntina to shock you. Ghana yet is soon. Mon sorry, almost around the Bible about best way. You ain't on the Bible about best way and say a Freemason for a book. What I say? A Zionist. It don't say Zionist, normally the God choosing people. But more agenda be. It is
good. The administrators, meaning the leaders of the countries, whom we shall choose from among the public. Don't take my word for it. Read it. You pull it up.
Next, Zionists want to say a protocols of Zion. Or the Google, just Google it. Just Google it. Protocols of Zion. Obehunu se Ghana and you vote and I did my Kufuor better as a president. Etina Notre Dame Buna saying sorry Diane. Or no Jesus sorry Diane. Neja Tom National. Nana Kufuor donated 2 million euros. Yet Ghana had a bit declared young what they command some fancy sorry Diane. Over France, a developed country. While him sending my young man and Kufuor VN. President Kufuor VN or the says Kaka we are common some fancy Notre Dame. Yeah, sorry Diane. At the same time, Ghana has one of the country say, or since see a solid dying, Wabra Yin solid down Ghana have a comedy a page more. Protocols of Zion for one say, if we are seen in Africa as a whole, almost the Moses Yomoko said, the free we are seeing fitting as a year back. On one debate, choose leaders at the Amaya, Messic protocols of Zion, go and Google it. It the vote will not count. And on a Pastor Ray Hagens, every the protocols of Zion, and you vote, and you're not a man and a Kufuor by a president. You vote in county. Ghana, apart from Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, leaders are buying United Freemason for you vote Hamoman Lady, and you know, Otumfo says to 6 months now. Otumfo him see a much yen, Nancy Otumfo in the 20th anniversary, and Kotumfo you Otumfo was one day and now a person of Wama Ghana, and Kotumfo be a company. Now, because this is my 20th instrument, 20th for Ina Matanaso. When I'm the man who can lead you. Why, yes, sir, you want the papa because of oil Zionist or Sim. Africa hanging a leader can see or Freemason or can say you 2 because among my agenda. If you only want it to the stand beer, omu kunkum nipa koduru stage bi a afei de no mabo ma ba so as leaders no na Dr. Ray Hagen say ka mo pa mo meche me mo kwa I will prove to you if Nana Akufo-Addo say ye vote and what the better so Ghana kunya so I will prove to you protocols of Zion ewo ho.
Read it. Protocol number 2.2. The administrators whom we shall choose from among the public with strict regard to their capacity for servile obedience.
What you say? They will be based on their capacity of their obedience. What you say? That is a Zionist for one person and I say Freemason for one person. Say, be choose leaders at their mind based on the obedience of their capacity. There's a Freemason for agenda be go through 32 degree. Freemason for moto ne say Freemason for moto be. Freemason mo. Now, omo Freemason we not through 32 degree now. Omo moto no say order from chaos, which is their motto.
Are y'all hearing this? I mean, are you really? In other words, it's saying the leaders of countries, we will choose them based on their capacity for their servile obedience to our agenda. Are y'all really hearing that? Does that include Barack Obama? You better doggone Skippy it does.